In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit events in Google Calendar. We'll walk through a simple, practical example so you can confidently adjust any event on your schedule without worrying about messing things up. You can follow along on your computer using a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're in, switch to the week view if you're not already there. You can usually do this by looking near the top right or top left of the screen and selecting Week. This view makes it easier to see individual events and their exact time slots. Now, find the specific event you want to edit. In our example, we're looking at a week around early March, but on your screen, it might be any date. Look through the days in the week view and locate the event block that corresponds to the meeting or appointment you'd like to change. Events are usually color-coded, and each one appears as a rectangular block on the calendar grid. Once you've located the event, click directly on it. This first click opens a small preview window or pop-up card. Here, you'll see basic information such as the event title, date, time, and possibly the location or description. This preview is useful for quickly checking details, but it doesn't show all the editing options yet. To actually edit the event, look for the option that lets you open the full event details. This is often labeled Edit or appears as a small pencil icon inside that preview window. Click on that. When you do, you will be taken to the full event page, where you can change almost anything about the event. On the event details page, you can adjust the title, date, start and end time, and whether it repeats. You can also change the location, add a description, or modify notifications so you get reminders at the right time. If this is a recurring event, pay attention to any prompt asking whether you want to edit just this one event or the entire series. When you're happy with your changes, make sure to save. Look for the Save button, usually at the top of the page, and click it. Your event will update on the calendar, and any invited guests will receive updated information if needed.